Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jessica. Today I'm going to share a super simple weeknight meal to make that probably everyone in your family will enjoy. I know my family loves it. It takes about 15 minutes to make, so I'm going to go ahead and share that with you. Before I get started, I'm going to let you guys know this is a collab with my friend Jennifer from the channel House of Hunts, and she does a lot of content similar to mine. She is super sweet, so definitely head over and check out. She did a meal for you guys over there too, so you'll get another idea from her. So hopefully you will go check out her video. I'll have it linked for you in the description box. I'm gonna go ahead and just get started making mine. Okay, so here are the things you'll need: some ground beef, some elbow macaroni noodles, chili beans, tomato sauce, and some chili seasoning. I always use mild. Of course, you could choose whichever one suits your taste. If smart could kill or die, and now it starts to rain, so let's enjoy it. So I have my water there set to boil for the macaroni noodles, and I'm going to go ahead and brown my ground beef. The thing that you see me using, I don't know exactly what that is called, but I call it a meat mincer. I got it from Pampered Chef a long time ago, but I did see recently that you can get them at Walmart. And it just basically minces the meat up into really fine pieces because I do not like large chunks at all. So if you're curious on how much macaroni noodles to use, a little tip or trick that I like to use is taking a bowl that you're going to use and pouring out the amount of pasta that you feel like each person would consume. So that would be your serving. So if you're serving, for example, in my case, 3 people, then I would do 3 bowls of the pasta filled just to the amount that I think each person would consume. So I did add some salt to my macaroni noodles, but I don't add anything else. You could pepper your ground beef if you wanted, but I didn't. I did drain it to get most of the grease off of it, and then I'm going to go ahead and combine the ground beef with the noodles, and I do have it on low now so that all of this can kind of warm up together. I love this Hunt's pasta sauce. You can really use any sort of tomato paste, would work fine, but this is one of my favorites. So I'm pouring this entire can in, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour in a can of mild chili beans. And again, you could use a different kind of chili beans if you wanted, like more spicy or something, but we just like the mild ones. And now I'm just pouring in the chili seasoning mix, and again, it is mild. You could use a more spicy one if you wanted. This is not spicy at all the way that I make it. My kids love it, my husband loves it, I love it, and for us, we did have leftovers, and if you like leftovers, this is really good leftover. If you're not a huge fan of leftovers, this is still really good leftover. Madeline actually took this to school the next day. She heated it up and put it in her thermos, and she came home and said that she loved it. It was so delicious, and I actually warmed it up for lunch today too. Now, I know a lot of you have called this chili mac, and of course everybody calls things different. I think a few people had said they call this goulash, but we just call it chili. I love to break up some saltine crackers and top mine with cheese. A few of you had said that you like to put sour cream on top or chives. I believe there was a few other suggestions. Fritos sounded really good as well, and this would also be really good served with cornbread, but my girls wouldn't eat it, so I didn't waste my time. And I wanted to show you these really quickly. They are the little premium fresh stacks, and I love them because they come in those little stacks so that they don't go stale. You pretty much use one of those stacks each time, or one every other time, and they don't go stale like the big long packs go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Jennifer's video to get a second recipe idea. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.